So I had the shot of Jaeger.
Currently planning for this month and finishing some editing. Yes, I finished doing the closet. It's not any different, honestly. I just have all my extra gloves, paper towels, my tool cleaners and trash bags here, my sketchbook for when I get some inspiration, my Bible so that everything that is for my desk will stay close together, the chemicals, the the acetone and the barbicide is there for sanitation. I ended up just switching my little cabinet. It was over here and I moved it to the right so that's more room to take out stuff. Guys, I have everything I need there, but I feel like there's more that I can do, but just for now I just took out the stuff that didn't have to be in there and put it away. I also restocked and reorganized my polish little, I don't know what these are called, like shelves. I got this at Ross. You just hang it on the door. But all my gels are up here. So these are my more expensive, better gels that I like. And then the gels that I still have to go through and finish. I'm gonna use this rice and mix it into the turkey that I have going.
This guy in the bussin'. Oh, I made my nipples hard.
Good morning. I just made a protein shake for Jeremy and I just realized that I haven't even talked to the camera. The trash is coming by today. First thing is first. I'm gonna show you what's first. It's time for the new episode of Loki. About to head out. Yes! Sports bras. Got some new sports bras. I'm gonna try one on. I'll put this one on, see how it feels. Thick, like it's a thick material, but it's very stretchy. And then the padding comes out. You can take out the padding. Not bad. Yes. Bomb. Currently trying to convince myself if I want to finish doing some editing or if I want to go on a walk because it's still somewhat fresh outside. It's not burning hot yet. Damn. I don't know if I want to go. I'm just scared that it might be too hot. Let me just check the weather. I get anxiety when I go somewhere by myself. I still struggle with that and I wish I didn't because it's like times like these when I really want to go out or like go on a hike or something and I just can't go because I'm scared. Like I'm scared that something's gonna happen, or I don't know. My anxiety is just stupid right now. But I'm just thinking maybe if I go, it'll give me some motivation to finish this hand because I haven't done it. I haven't even taken pictures of this one, which means I can go out in nature, get some pics. But man, I hate having anxiety sometimes. I just gotta do it. Let's go now before I try to convince myself not to go. Every time we go hiking, okay? This is every time. I'm literally just trying to get out the car. Peep the clouds. There's a little white butterfly that's been following me since I came in. But it's so peaceful here. There's no one here right now, which is nice. These big ass trees. You see my car from here. Where is it? There it is. Right there. I'm dying at the moment. It's getting warmer, so I'm trying to get out of here fast. But this kid keeps stopping just as much as I do. Let's go. Got back from the hike, but I wanted to check my face. It doesn't look too bad on camera, but it feels so painful. Yeah, I got a mean tan from my sunglasses right here. Yeah, I have a tan. It's okay. I'll just wash my face and put some extra sunscreen on. But my face was burning. I just wanted to scratch right here, and when I scratched it, it just burned. So I had to see it first. But I'm still sweating from the hike. I stopped by Tierra Mia once again, and I got a little mojito mint tea. Good thing I checked the weather before I left because they said that at 12 it was going to be 89, but it was starting to feel like 90 and Apollo was dying towards the end. But we made it.
Listen to me. You cannot get on me. You're heavy as fuck. Capiche?
So, God, there's so much I have to go through. Like pretty much here, it's just like plastic bags that we've been saving and putting aside, some papers that we've been having to shred. This side right here is donations, like it's blankets, jackets, stuff that we don't wear. Like I'm really deep cleaning today. This is gonna take longer than I anticipated, and I don't know how I feel about it. Like I found a bunch of hats that we thought went missing completely, but it's all here. Oh my God, I'm just overwhelmed right now. But this is the main room that I have to work on because I've been feeling so overwhelmed when I come into this room. I went through this drawer and now it's our medicine drawer. But yeah, there's so much I still have to do. I'm so But honestly, this is what I get for waiting until the very last minute. This is decluttering at its finest, honestly. Jeez. But we finished the room somewhat. Finally have room for our towels and my makeup. I still have to figure out how I'm gonna organize my palettes and all this. Overall, everything's emptied out and clean. I'm just glad this is somewhat done because it was stressing me out.
I'm literally so. We have all the vegan club stuff. This is so cool.
I'm just gonna keep it like this. So I don't lose it. We got the jelly tips. What we got? 00 for extra big thumbs? Oh, that's for me. This is cool. They're so cute. They're soft compared to the other one that I have. I love how it says soak off, but it doesn't tell you how to soak it off. It just tells you how to put it on. Yeah. In there. Doesn't smell as strong as this one. Cause we got a top coat and we got a builder gel and we got a top coat. It's 11 p.m. and I just finished these. And now I'm gonna do these. I don't know what's about to happen, but I'm gonna use these these glitters. I'm excited. Okay, let's put like a dash of blue. Not like too much, but like a tiny little. Yes, perfect. Yes! Oh my god. Yep, that's exactly what I wanted. This is happening. This is happening. This is happening. Okay. I'm just gonna put it on. Oh my god. And you're solid. Yes. Wow. Fit check. Pew-pew. Pew-pew. Does it look fine?
That still looks good. She.
Also, I did my nails last night. Get money. I got a plushie. All right, girl, let's go. Let's go do some shit real quick. Okay, well, why is she so cute? Look at her, look at her, look at her. Hey, she's so cute. Enjoying his hot chocolate?
They're in Arizona.